Oh, yeah. FAQ.joshimuz.com, everybody. Hello.
faq.joshimuz.com.
Yeah, it's great. I've made a URL just for it.
Huge.
All right,
Nice.
well, hello everyone. Welcome to the. Oh, it's 4 by 3, by the way, Shan. It's not 16 by 9.
Oh,
Yeah, don't worry. The big boys like me will post the links. Don't worry. I don't know what I should put the comms to be like. Add command FAQ.
Wait, why is it 16 by 9 in a 4 by 3 box now? It should automatically resize, shouldn't it?
Maybe.
It should do, but it hasn't. Hmm. Hmm.
Well, Shan, you've only gone and fucked it.
well,
You've
first
you've
chef, you know.
ruined the marathon.
I mean, I could change my stream resolution to 4 by 3. Actually, no, I can't because I'd have to figure out. Oh, fuck it.
Wait, are you not streaming in 4 by 3?
Was I supposed to?
That's why it doesn't resize. It's a 16 by 9 feed. How is it going to
Oh,
resize?
because I
You
thought it would just
dick.
scale it. Oh,
No.
whatever. I'll just flipping look. I'll maximize it and then just go back to the 16 by 9 layout. I'll play in 16 by 9. All right.
Jesus Christ.
Just,
I thought Twitch would just magically know what
no, I thought
what
OBS would,
file.
XSplit would.
XSplit.
All right, whatever.
There
Okay,
you go.
okay, good. We're ready. Okay, let's mess it about. So anyway, yeah, this is San Andreas. This is the Windows Store version. It's basically they took the PS2 version, they ported it to mobile, and then they ported that back to PC. And that's what
Just
I'm going to be playing
absolutely
on.
disgusting.
Yeah, this glitch only works on this version, and it's very complicated, and I didn't exactly prepare for commentary, but whatever, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I guess. We should probably just
Read
hurry
the
up.
FAQ. Read the FAQ.
Read the FAQ. Just read the FAQ. Alright.
Exclamation mark SAFAQ.
Okay, so I might have to restart a little bit at the start here, so I'm going to look for a police bike. Also, the frame rate is that low, don't worry about it. So I need to find a police bike before it's 7:46 in-game. If I don't get one then, it's not going to happen. I'll punch this cop. Okay, good, I got one. Alright, run saved, run saved. Just don't get busted, which I did. Alright, that's fine. It's fine. Getting a police bike is the pain in the ass part of this. Alright. Try again. So this might take a couple tries, but it's fine. What did you set the estimate as, by the way? Oh, hello.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Oh, yeah, plenty of time.
Yeah,
Hello.
that's just going to fit in the schedule.
Cool. Alright. So here's the police bike, and I didn't get busted this time. So I'm going to start Vigilante. And now, while Vigilante running, there's a timer in the game's memory that is ticking up every frame by it counts the milliseconds the game has been running for. I need to set that value to a very specific value. It's around 82,000 I need to set it to, which just so happens to be around 7:45 in game. It's like as soon as it ticks to 7:46. So I need to end Vigilante at exactly when the timer goes to 7:46, around that time. The timing's a little different for everyone, different loading times and stuff, but that's where it is for me. Since this is a marathon run, I'm going to try it once, but if I don't get it, I'm just going to load a save where I know I did get it and go from there. Right, so I need to cancel this very carefully. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's see if that works. So here's Big Smoke. It felt good, it felt like the right time. So yeah, so I just set a number in the game's memory to a very specific number, and I'm Alright. So I got a Greenwood at the start. Everyone's picnicking. I'm scared. Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix the quality of it.
Oh, right. Okay.
Refreshing the feed, so when
Okay.
it dies for a second, everyone's like, "Ah, it's over! It's over!"
Yeah, it's fine. You didn't miss anything. Just a cutscene. Can you go, sweet?
To be honest, I can't even tell if that was improved quality. I can't even tell.
Yeah. Whatever.
The game just doesn't look good enough for me to know if it's good quality or not. I have no idea.
Alright, so I got a Greenwood. Ideally, I'd want a fast car here, because I want to drive to a place after Big Smoke. But I'm probably not going to get a fast car faster than that. Actually, maybe I should try, because I have pop tires and everything. One strategy is to, like, get 1 in stars to try to get a police bike, but I want to play it safe, since, you know, marathon and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and not do that. I'm just gonna ignore these guys a minute and try to find a car in the roads. One weird thing about this run is that I need to avoid vending machines. It's a lot more complicated than I'm about to say, but basically I need to avoid vending machines because they update the value that I set with Vigilante. Really? Am I gonna have to take this police car? Fuck. Alright. Hello, officer. Please don't bust me. Right, okay, so there's vending machines everywhere. I need to be really careful of where I'm driving. So, for example, I can't go that way, because there will be a vending machine. Okay, let's go this way. So yeah, like I said, I wanted a fast car. I'm not going to use Vigilante or anything like that, but just want to go fast. I will be making a save. The plan is to me to try to do this normally once, and if I don't get it, then I'll load a backup save. But I'm gonna have to save because I have a 1 star anyway, I think. We'll see. I'll just make a save, whatever. Alright, come on, Ryder. Sweet. No, you are Ryder. So there's a vending machine over there, so I need to go this way. What does storing the value do? You'll find out in a bit. Right, so I need to get around here. Excuse me. Alright, hopefully the police car doesn't despawn. Alright, it's good. Alright, so now we have to sit here and watch this cutscene. But what I'm going to do after this cutscene is I'm going to store the police bike, I'm going to make a save, and then I'm going to take the police strike and drive to the bar down the road. There is a vending machine outside the bar, but every time you start a game or load a save, you get a 1 free pass by a vending machine for whatever reason. So I can walk past that vending machine once. And then inside the bar, I'm going to use the arcade machine to try to get a glitched phone call, which I'm going to need for the skip, but we'll see if I get it. Alright, so let's go to you. Just back in here, lovely.
Did anyone actually figure out if you can use this for like LS or Mission Zero calls yet in the actual like proper game?
No, you can't in the actual game. It doesn't work.
Damn.
Yeah. Right, so I'm gonna just blow myself up a little bit here.
LS still being stupidly boring. Any hope of potentially making it fun is just getting stomped.
Alright, so I blew myself up a little bit just to take a little bit extra damage. So I can death warp a bit quicker in a second. Right, so I'm going to get a phone call here. I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to walk in. I'm going to get my grenades. Now I'm going to do this glitch with this vending machine here. Arcade machine, sorry. Okay, good. Now I should have thrown some grenades. Excellent. Now I should have died. Now I'll be at the hospital. I'll be watching the hospital cutscene. I should get the phone call, and then I can cancel everything with escape. Now I'm holding that glitched phone call. It's what we call an on mission 0 phone call. Basically, it's a phone call that lets me dupe missions, but I won't bother trying to explain that. But all you need to know is I have a glitched phone call now, which I'm going to use for the glitch. The phone call is really useful because it will let me regain control in a cutscene, and it will also let me dupe the mission, which I need to regain control of CJ. Right, let's try this. So I'm actually holding like tab and left control right now, and that's how you have to hold phone calls in vehicles in this version of the game. We haven't found a better way yet. Alright, so now I'm just holding tab again. So I should be able to walk in here, let go of the phone call, skip, then funny noises. Perfect. So that means I took the phone call as the cutscene started, and then I cancelled it with the cutscene, and then I cancelled the phone call with the car. Beautiful. Let's go. I already have grenades. Alright. Now, as a marathon special, I'm not gonna mute. Right, so let's hold the phone call. So I'm gonna hold the phone call as I go into here. This is when the actual glitch happens. So I need to buy a haircut that Ryder likes the look of. Excellent. Now, as I leave the barber, I need to answer the phone call and cancel it immediately. Okay, here we go. Excellent. So now I'm going to listen to this line of Ryder's dialogue, and I'm going to cancel it before it ends by pausing and unpausing.
Say the line, Josh.
No.
Say the line, Twitch. I know you guys will.
So now I need to run back to Grove Street, keep this line of dialogue happening by pausing and unpausing constantly without dropping it. Alright, and then I need to go and start the Ryder mission again. Funnily enough, starting the Ryder mission again pretty much is only so you can get in cars. That's the only reason. It's not like you need to dupe the mission for the glitch or anything. You just can't get in vehicles right now. Okay, good. Now it gets twice as loud because there's two of them playing. Good. Then I'm going to chuck this grenades, stand here, and then one elephant. Whoa! No fucking way!
You're a fucking.
Go! Go, 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 go! Okay, alright, this probably makes absolutely no sense to anyone. I wasn't expecting to get it, so I didn't actually explain. Okay, I was going to explain why it didn't work when it didn't work, but then it worked. Okay, so what's supposed to happen is, well, what normally happens is that I do that thing, I start Vigilante, and then the game crashes. And that's because at the start of the game, when I was talking about setting the correct millisecond value, it turns out humans are very bad at timing millisecond precise things. And there's like 7, I think, values at the start of the game that work, that are within a 23 millisecond window. Not all of the values in the 23 millisecond value work. Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. Yeah, there's only like 7 of them in the window that works, and apparently I hit one of them and fucking end of the line started. Normally what happens is either the game crashes or nothing happens, and then it crashes a little bit later, or you start Riot or something. But apparently I managed to get really flippin' lucky and hit it. Oh dear. Oh, get out of my way. Fuck. Alright, well, I've kind of ruined this a bit.
Where were you when Joshimuz cheated the value in Cheat Engine, didn't tell anyone during the marathon, and then had a fake reaction to bait you all? Where were you?
Oh dear. Alright, come on. Go, go, go. Oh dear. Annoyingly, yeah, even if I PB this run, it isn't legit because I have
Yeah,
cheat engine open.
and you also didn't like reset properly, right? Do you have to like close the game every time?
Oh, well, the timer would have started from the first one, I guess. If you
Oh
just
yeah,
included
true.
that. Anyway, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. I don't care. But I have cheat engine open because I was planning to like have to cheat to be able to show it, but I just fucking did it.
Yeah, the plan was to do one attempt to showcase what happens, like, you know, if it goes wrong, and then use cheat engine to say what happens when it goes right.
Yeah. I might even just fail. Oh no, I got it, sorry. So this run isn't even legit, it's amazing. Fucking unbelievable. Alright, whatever.
Take the wheels, payback.
Well,
Oh, massive crosshair. There it goes. Alright, well, yeah, anyway, terrible technical explanations aside, basically in the Ryder mission, in between Ryder saying two lines in the cutscene, the first line and the second line, which is why I kept repeating the first line. There's like a 1 second gap between the lines, and during that period there's a window for you to do this glitch. I can't remember exactly what happens, but it's like looping at a certain offset, or opcode, or whatever. And normally what happens when you start like another mission while one is running, is that it's like executing the same code, but it like, you say it like, the code's like, oh, go to this line and do this thing, right? And it remembers that between frames. But the thing is, if you suddenly then load a different mission, the mission script that it's executing on is suddenly different. So it's like I took the chair out from under the mission and put a different chair underneath it, right? And like, normally what happens is that it just results in like garbage code happening and the game crashes. But there just so happens to be an extreme coincidence.
Down in flames! Down in flames! That's my dog!
there we go. You're back on.
I'm back? Okay, well, I don't know how much of my technical explanation you heard, but there's a line of code that is supposed to do a thing to two different numbers, but you skip the first bit of the line of code. So instead of doing a thing to do different numbers, you do a thing, the thing is the first number, and you do it to the second number. The thing just so happens to be go to this line, and the second number just so happens to be the time in milliseconds that you set with Vigilante. So you go to a line of code that you choose. So it's an arbitrary jump in script. There you go. I explained it, but apparently no one heard me. So whatever.
It's so convenient. Like we've been sat here the whole time, and then fucking. Yeah.
That was time, by the way, but whatever.
Yeah. Whatever.
Oh dear. 17 minutes, yeah, fuck it, whatever.
I want to see during the credits if I can fix this quality stuff, because it's annoying me now.
Alright, sure, I'll leave it running.
Gail offered a few solutions, so yeah, just like watch the credits, start the cutscene.
Sure. I finished too fast.
We've got a bit of time anyway.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to stall and I did it too fast.
Yeah. I mean, it's better than being like an hour ahead, right?
I guess.
At least now we're only like, 30 minutes or so. That's fine. We should be pretty much bang on, like, if we just, like, watch this out.
Alright, cool. I want to watch the credits, yes? And someday in the future, timing will change to the correct place, which is when it says mission passed at the end. Today is not that day, but someday timing should change to that. Alright, well, yeah, anyway. Glitches happened. I wasn't exactly planning to explain it, so I didn't prepare anything, but whatever. I hope Rock does a better job explaining SSU.
I just want to be sure it's over, man. That's all.
It's cool. Don't need to put a bullet in it.
Oh dear. That was a really weird one as well, because I didn't even... First of all, apparently my arcade machines work now, when they weren't before. So that was something I had to deal with, but thankfully I knew what to do. And then second of all, the end of the line text never even showed up. That was really weird.
Yeah, it just, like, it cut to the bit with the fire truck or whatever, and then it just, like, went to black, didn't it? And then
Yeah.
it started.
That was super weird.
It was like the mission started, like, you saw like, the correct everything else, but yeah, there was just no text.
Yeah.
Which is weird.
Will I check what value I got? I could do. I did save, didn't I? Let's have a look. I mean, I'll wait for the credits to end. But... Oh, that noise is me. Oh, I already had cheat engine open. Right. See you around, officer. Okay. I don't think it's gonna... I don't think the value is correct. No, the value isn't correct in the credits. I'll have to wait. Because it says the value is 960,344. But that ain't right. Ah, yeah, maybe, yes. Yeah, maybe I hit a high value. I think the other times I've done it, I've hit 82,077, I think. Oh yeah, you cancel Vigilante as part of the trick. Oh yeah, right, of course. I mean, it's starting Vigilante, but yeah. Who are these characters? I don't remember seeing them. Displaying the text is more common than not, 6 values versus 1. Oh, so it is actually a thing, permit. Damn. So not only did I hit one of the 7 millisecond values, I hit the 1 millisecond value that doesn't show the text. Sweet. Lost a couple milliseconds to not hitting an earlier value. I suppose, yeah.
So we've figured out the quality issue, Josh, and it is what we thought. So our unknown Twitch channel with between 1 and 3 viewers at any one time is getting transcoding options instead of some hard full-time streamer somewhere else, and it's getting put to auto automatically on the source. So if like there's any loss in data, it's just going to like 360p.
Oh right,
right, yeah.
Can you manually set the quality with
Yes.
URL?
Oh, not with the URL, but you can set you can like interact with the source
and
then hide the UI afterwards. But we're doing it the other way around.
All right. All right, I'm gonna skip the credits. Let's check the value. Big Smoke, yes. Okay, the value is... Oh, it's the highest possible! It's 82,093. That's the very last value in the 23 millisecond window. The lowest is 82,070 to 82,093. I got fucking 82,093. Incredible. Oh dear. Alright, well then. That's the first time I've ever hit that. Cool. Alright, well, I guess I'm done. Like, way earlier than I thought. So the next run was supposed to start...
Pretty much right now, I think.
Oh yeah, like right now, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Alright, well, thanks a lot for watching this backup run or whatever. Yeah, I got nothing else. I'm done. Go.
Alright, hold on, let me get rid of this stream test, otherwise it'll be duped and all that kind of shit. That won't be good. Alright. I don't remember what intermission we used before. I guess we'll just use the second one. There's Rock. Big boy Rock.
Or if anybody else wants, can